Hello po, Capricorn Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Welcome to James Tarot PH. So, diretso na po tayo sa inyong weekly reading for January 27 to Feb 2. So, lahat po ng ating cards na gagamitin ay naka-pre-shuffled na po lahat yan. Don't worry. To save time po tayo. So, let's start. One final cut. Holy Spirit, Spirit Guides, collective reading for Capricorn for January 27 to Feb 2. Kunin nyo lang po yung makaka-resonate kayo and leave the rest. Use your intuition po para makuha nyo po yung akmang messages for you sa ating reading for today. Let's start. Your overall core energy for this week ay King of Pentacles. Pag-uusapan natin yan mamaya, lalatag ko lang po yung ating spread. In the area of what you want, we have the Six of Wands. Beautiful. Card of Victory. On the area of what you need, we have the Page of Cups. Wow. Ganda nito. I'm loving the cards. Dito pa lang. In the area of your recent past, we have the Five of Wands. In the area of your near future, we have the Seven of Wands. Puro wands. It's about your passion. In the area of your challenges, kung meron man, ay the Four of Cups. Clarify po natin lahat yan later. In the area of your fortune, swerte sa inyo this week sa January 27 to Feb 2 ay Four of Swords. Double 4 o 444. Use that as an angel messages. Search po yan, 444. You're protected by your spirit guides and angels. In the area of your divine advice, we have the Eight of Swords and the Eight of Wands. 8-8 din. So, use 444 and 888. Gamit nyo po yan sa inyong messages from your angels. In the area of your outcome, we have the Two of Pentacles. Wonderful. At the bottom of the deck, we have the Sun. Wow, ito yung sa background or foreground na inyong overall energy aside from the King of Pentacles. Happiness, healing. You are outside, more outdoorsy. Seeing you very, very happy with your choices or with your family. You're being protected sa inyong bahay. You're feeling the warmth and excitement sa inyong mga endeavor. Starting sa January 27 sa Feb 2, you'll be very, very happy. And positive ang inyong outlook sa inyong week, sa upcoming week. Okay, so let's start. Your King of Pentacles is your core element or core card para sa buong reading for the whole week ay you thinking and very, very busy ka sa iyong pinagkakakitaan. If it's about a job or because you're very independent, you're very Capricorn. So, napaka-focus mo sa pinagkatrabaho mo, whether sa trabaho ito o sa school or sa project or an idea. You're very busy with sa mga bagay na alam mong for long term. You're very perseverant. Persevere ka very dedicated ka basta inilagay mo yung sarili mo as a Capricorn sa isang bagay. You're very dedicated kaya makukuha mo yung fruit of your labor. I'm seeing many grapes here as a sign na parang kung ano man yung gusto mo at pinaghirapan mo, magbubunga siya at makukuha mo. So let's clarify the King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles is being clarified by the Page of Pentacles. Wow, from King to Page, you being focusing on something na talagang pinapahalagahan mo. Now, parang ayaw mo ng distractions. You're very, very busy holding on and developing o kaya binubuo mo something. If it's something na nakaka-resonate kayo, I know you understand kung anong sinasabi ko. It is something that you're building, it's something that you're creating, o binubuo mo, o binabago mo, o pinapaganda mo. If it's something sa arts, if it's arts space, parang meron kang sineshape into something new. So, because you're very disciplined, I'm seeing you focusing din dito and you're not letting any distractions affect you. Basta ang focus mo itong goal mo talaga na abundance and pinagkakakitaan mo sa iyong family o sa work. So, akit tayo dito sa area of conscious and subconscious. You have the Six of Wands sa iyong area of what you want. Ito ang gusto mo yung victory, gusto mo ng mabuo mo at maging successful yung tinatrabaho mo. So, kahit zero naman siguro, di ba? We all want to be successful in any area that we focused on. But dito, sa tinatrabaho mo ito, parang I'm seeing you really visualizing the success at completion itong tinatrabaho mo. Everybody ay na-amaze sa'yo. Everybody's asking you, paano mo ginawa yan? Paano mo ba tinatrabaho? What is your secret? Parang ganon. So I'm also seeing na parang public reward or public na parang pinupuri ka ng karamihan. I'm seeing you parang waving around with on stage, parang ganon. Parang you are being rewarded for something. So that is what you want, a reward or a victory sa pinaghihirapan mo ngayon. So let's clarify that. Six of Wands is being clarified by the Ten of Pentacles. So you're doing this for your family. Something na pangmatagalan, something up for your legacy. I'm hearing na parang this is about your future plans and something na alam mo na magagamit mo ng pangmatagalan. So this victory is probably about a job or trabaho. You want something na mabuo para pagdating ng araw, hindi ka na mahihirapan to choose or to even grasp things. Parang you'll be able to have the things that you want for you and for your family. But in the area of what you need the Page of Cups, you need the creativity. You also need to grab the things na pinapresent sa'yo. There will be a surprise na dating sa'yo this week, January 27 to Feb 2. A surprise na hindi mo akalain na dating sa'yo. And the Spirit Guides and the Holy Spirit are saying na you have to grab it hanggat nandiyan pa. Hindi mo siya kailangang palagpasin because there are things and opportunity na darating. And hindi mo alam kung kailan siya ulit darating sa'yo if you let this go. Just like the fish sa iloob ng cup, tinitingnan niya to, iniisip niya, totoo ba yung fish na to? Totoo ba tong opportunity na to nandito? So, Page of Cups telling you na pag-aralan mo kung ano may yung darating, and if it's really for you and you really want it, wag mo palagpasin. Don't let it go and grab it while it's there and while it's available to you. So the Page of Cups, let's clarify. We have the Fool. Yeah, this is something na parang brand new sa'yo. You're stepping into something new, a new opportunity, and it requires you to take a leap of faith. So this is something na parang pag-iisipan mo, pwede ba to? Kaya ko ba to? But the Page of Cups really is telling you to grab it and use it because it is something that you're gonna be grateful for in the future. Because you're thinking about your future self, for the future of your family. So it is something na aligned sa path mo. So kung ano man tong parating, malalaman mo na ito yung sinasabi sa iyo ng Page of Cups ng iyong higher calling at saka ng your higher self. Capricorn, in the area of your past, we have the Five of Wands. There was a debate, a miscommunication, or a palitan ng I don't think this as a fight but it's about having creative differences with someone else, and you are defending yourself and proving yourself and proving your worth. At the same time, you learn something from this sa pagkatalong ito o sa competition na ito. If you've been into a competition recently, you learned a lot from that, whether you won or not. Parang use that as a lesson dito sa binubuo mo for your future or para sa kinabukasan mo na bagay na pinag-focusan mo ngayon. So there was a fight, there was a disagreement, so you learned something from that. Five of Wands is being clarified by the Ten of Swords. Yeah, parang feeling mo dulo na yun. You reached parang it was really the end of something for you, parang sobra na. It was really it was something that made you believe na you're at the rock bottom. No? Parang sobra na yung ginawa sa'yo o nangyari sa'yo. Sobra na rin yung competition. It took something parang sa yung mental health. Naapektuhan yung mental health mo. And you want to walk away at something and you want to start something new, o gusto mo ikaw na lang gumawa nun and you don't need others as their guide, o you don't want to hear yung opinion ng ibang tao because parang nagiging combobulated lang lahat para sa iyo, parang masyado ka na naguluhan, and parang sabi mo, here's enough, I had enough. So now you're focusing on what's important for you and your family, You want victory to prove yourself dito sa mga taong ito. And you're focusing on that one thing na alam mo magagamit mo at alam mo mas mapapakinabangan mo. In the near future, you have the Seven of Wands. You putting up boundaries to these people na parang ayaw mo nang makasalamuha pa, or you're putting boundaries because no is a no and you already proven yourself para sa'yo. You have put this wands, I'm sorry, you're putting this wands as a protection, and this one parang pinapakita mo na parang I still have it, and you cannot parang kung ano man yung nasabi sa'yo o naging bunga tong competition na to o itong pagkatalong ito, na parang you're saying, I have what it takes and you have what it is para magawa mo yung gusto mo makuha mo yung goal na gusto mo makuha. So you're having this parang competitive stance, but at the same time, you're very confident sa kakayahan mo at you're very sure sa kung anong kaya mong gawin at sa kung anong kaya mong ipakita. Which is a very, very good card. You're evaluating your self-worth. The Seven of Wands is being clarified by the Lovers. Yeah, you're prioritizing things na important sa'yo, yung mga bagay na mahal mo. If it's someone else, a partner or a lover, you're proving yourself to them. You're proving your worth. You're proving your intention, your pure intentions. And you are showing your true self na kaya mo, and you are able to do what you want to do to achieve ng mga bagay na gusto mo. It's good and very remarkable. In the area of your challenge, we have the Four of Cups. Hindi ka naging masaya sa past. There was something na parang hindi ka na masaya because it doesn't serve the best for you. Parang you want something else, and ang challenge sa'yo and the obstacle for you this week is for you to be able to see kung ano yung opportunity na naghihintay sa'yo, nabigay sa'yo ng higher power. So you have to really open your eyes and see the bigger picture and see and claim something na para sa'yo, na divinely given sa'yo. So you have to really shift your perspective and hayaan mo na to mga to. At saka feeling ko naghihintay ka lang din ng parang something to lighten you up or another spark in your life because something is very stagnant as of this moment. So you having this another cup, fourth cup, it will bring light and also excitement sa life mo. So that is a challenge for you. Find that opportunity or God-given gift na para sa'yo. At huwag mo siyang palagpasin, just like sa Page of Cups. Four of Cups is also about you having the sight on the opportunity na given sa'yo. And you don't need to lose it, or you don't need na malagpasan ka nito because this is something na mahirap din makuha pagbalik. So you have to really grab onto the things na paparating sa'yo na opportunity. The Four of Cups is being clarified by dalawa nakuha ko. Sige, kuhin ko tong dalawang to. We have the Three of Wands and the Two of Cups. You really have to focus on something that you can offer someone na may like-minded people. You have to really find that people na kapareho kayo ng mindset, pareho kayo ng pangarap, pareho kayo ng gustong gawin. And also, you have to move forward and go on something that you really want to do. The things that you manifested ay darating. So, kailangan maghanda, kailangan mag-prepare because everything is sailing on from now on. So, kung anong gusto mong gawin, you'll have to find that person, whether a business partner or katrabaho, office mate na mas makakatulong sa'yo. If it's a lover, they are the one na makakatulong sa'yo to move forward and magawa mo tong plano mo. But still, the challenge for you is to see those people at mahanap yung mga taong yun na tutulong sa'yo. Opportunity for you to really move forward and find that fourth cup. So, that is the challenge for you this week. In the area of your fortune, sa iyong swerte, ay Four of Swords. Answered prayer ang nakikita ko dito. Four of Swords is also a time for you to recharge, to just lay low and rest, but also this card of prayers. Nakita mong darasal siya. So everything that you prayed will come true this week. Just have to be patient and have this stronger faith sa mga kung ano bang pinapaniwalaan ninyo. But you really have to have that stronger faith na kung ano man yung dinasal mo ay matutupad. So since this is in the area of your fortune, kung ano yung dinasal ninyo ay matutupad, you also have this wonderful time to rest. You will be given like maybe a day or two to rest, o kung mag-i-invite sa'yo na magbakasyon, go for it. O kung may mag-i-invite sa'yo ng videoke for a night o inuman, go for it because it's time also to relax and have fun. The Four of Swords is being clarified by the Four of Wands. Yeah, celebration. Kung may makikita kang invitation for a wedding or a christening or kasal, go for it because that will be helpful for your mental health. Tulad sinabi ko dito sa Ten of Swords, naapektuhan yung mental health mo ng competition na to o this argument na to o creative differences na ito. So really have this time to really celebrate and relax and have fun, to restore your mental health, to enjoy life because as you work hard, you also need to play hard. So four of swords and four of wands with another four here. So four, you're being protected by your angel guides. That was four is meaning. So you're protected, you are aligned. So kung ano man ang pagdaanan mo, kung ano man ang naiisip mo, know that your angels and your spirit guides are protecting you. Okay? In the area of divine advice, we have the Eight of Swords and the Eight of Wands. Eight naman. Abundance. Four. The Eight of Swords telling you na hindi ka talaga naka-trap sa mga bagay na iniisip mo naka-trap ka. You're not stuck. It's just in your mind. Kaya mong kalagin tong tali na to. Kaya mong tanggalin to pairing na to. The swords are far enough for you para hindi ka masaktan. So you just have to be your mindset shift so that things will come to you very easily so you can move forward. So makikita mo yung mga blessings na paparating sa iyo if you have that mindset shift or personality shift kung saan you have trust in yourself more and you have that ability to accept that you have the talent, you have the power, you are worthy to do whatever you want to do. So darating ang mga biyaya kung you'll be able to what do you call this? You'll be able to really have that confidence and be bold sa mga gusto mong gawin. There's no time for fear. There's no time for hesitation. There's no time for self-doubt. Just go for it and you will see that things will come to you very easily. That was the divine advice. So let's clarify them. The Eight of Swords is being clarified by the Ace of Swords. Yeah, it's really about your mindset, change of mindset. Something will come to you as an enlightenment that, yeah, kaya ko nga to. Yeah, this is just a phase. Yeah, kaya ko to. Hindi ako stuck, hindi ako mahina, hindi ako ganto. And there will be a change in your mindset and a clarity, a new idea, a new opportunity will come to you. Eight of Wands is being clarified by the Three of Cups. Yeah, it's really about your celebrating with your friends. It's about you collaborating with other people. You will see like a hope coming back to you again. And you will have like that serene transition from being stuck to having more and more opportunities coming for you. That was a divine messages ito from your spirit guides. Just like here sa Four of Swords na parang answered prayers ito para sa'yo. Bago natin puntahan itong outcome na Two of Pentacles, let's have some other messages from Oracle cards here. The first message is Flamingo Spirit. If you've seen flamingo anywhere, whether it's a picture or sa personal or sa internet or you heard the word flamingo, this is a message for you. It says, embrace the in-between. Yeah. If you're stuck on something na parang from failure to going to another end for your purpose or your goal, the in-between, dyan mo makikita yung katatagan mo, dyan mo makikita yung, dyan mo masyadong makikilala yung sarili mo of how courageous and paano ka katatag, dyan mo makikilala yung sarili mo. So you should embrace the in-betweens kasi dyan mo rin makikilala yung mga taong there for you, the people that will celebrate for you, the people that will support you. Just a transition mo na yan from one end to the other. So this Flamingo Spirit, embrace it because minsan from accomplishing something, the best stories came from the journey and not at the end point. So embrace the journey because diyan mo talaga makikita yung lessons and also, the adventure really makes who you are before you get to that goal, diba? Another card from the Monology Oracle, we have it's time to take action, like I've said kanina. Where did I say that? Yeah, it's time to really take action. Forget this stuck energy. Go forward, celebrate, and go for that goal. Sabi ko dito sa advice mo. And I know I've said sa fortune mo, it's like time to relax. But since it's an answered prayer, you will go to that party and that party will give you like this epiphany of like good bright idea, ma-cleanse yung combobulated mind dahil sa mga pinagdaanan mo. So it's time to take action after this rest period or celebration na pinuntahan mo, because another idea will come to you at maalis ka na sa stuck area mo and you will go forward. Another message is wondrous universe, walk in beauty. Like I've said, have belief in yourself, matiwala ka sa sarili mo, your self-worth, your self-reliant. You're Capricorn, you're very independent, you're very persuasive, you're very perseverance. You persevere in a lot of ways and you're very dedicated, you're very tenacious. So let go of this Eight of Swords energy, embrace this Ace of Swords para makita mo yung brighter picture and every possible things na pwede sa'yo. So walk in beauty because you're beautiful, you're wonderful, you have the talent, you have everything that you need. And now, let's go to your outcome. You have the Two of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles is not just about having a choice, but having to balance things in your life. If you want to have this and that, you can do that. But you need to be able to balance things for you to have a harmonious life and a harmonious relationship with other people. So here is the Two of Pentacles, binabalanse niya yung dalawang bagay na importante sa kanya. And para siyang nasayaw. And he's doing his very best para ma-balance itong dalawang ito because he can't let go of these two. Kaya siya naka-bandage dyan because these two are very important for him. So, ganoon din yun sa'yo. Kung ano importante sa'yo, dahil outcome mo ito, you'll be able to balance things. Kung gusto mo din magpahinga and work, or gusto mo magbakasyon and work, you want to play and work, or you want to have this balanced mindset na pagkatapos ng trabaho lang yan, then pag-uwi ko, I will have my own time. So, that is a harmonious balance sa iyong lifestyle and also with the people around you. So, this is a really good card. Two of Pentacles, let's clarify. Two of Pentacles being clarified by the Death card, a rebirth. So, having a new mindset of balance in your life, marami ding magbabago sa'yo. Probably gonna change your lifestyle, change the way you eat, your diet, yung habit of waking up and resting early. This rebirth as a Death card option, and also the Two of Pentacles telling you na parang you have what it takes to really change whatever you want in order to have these things na lahat meron sa buhay mo. So you really have to take this transformation to be able to see what are the things that are valuable to you. Okay? So Capricorn, that is your reading for today. Be bold. Find that passion again, people that you need in your life para makuha mo tong fourth cup. And you will be sailing on for this. Grab the opportunity as it comes. This is something new para sa'yo. You will be celebrating with your family, having to prove yourself to someone. You're worthy. Makakawala ka na sa stuck energy mo, and everything will move forward from now on, and you will celebrate with the people that you love. Okay. Wow, that is your reading for this week, January 27 to February 2. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, see you again next week for your weekly reading for Capricorn. This has been James Tario PH. God bless everybody. Mag-comment po kayo sa baba and I'm gonna read your comments sa mga naka-resonate po sa reading na ito. See you again next time. Bye!